Here I have iPhone 13 mini, and today I'm going to show you how to connect AirPods Pro to this device. So firstly, you have to open this case. Then if you have your Bluetooth enabled, it will ask you to connect for them or not. So open your case, then it asks, tap connect, then you have to hold down button on the case for them to enter pairing mode, and after that they will be connected. So here you have the usage tutorial. You can set up Hey Siri for it, announce calls and notifications, but overall device is connected right now. So if you want to disconnect from them, tap here, and here you have to select disconnect or forget this device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.